So we've assembled the wing saddle on this, and we're lining up the wing uprights. You can do this in advance, and the way this works is these parts right here form your wing saddle. You've got the center part, and then you've got these outers that lock in. There's not really any front and back to this, but you do want to line these up because this gap is a little bit larger than this one, so you can't turn one of these around relative to the other pieces. And Ethan, if you'll show yours to us. There we go. And so what's important is the open part goes on the bottom. And Tyler, you're building it upside down.
This is what you don't do.
We use you as the guinea pig for everything, and then you go win contests.
I don't want
So the open part is on the bottom. All you gotta do is just slip it off, and we have more of those. So
I want to cut this part in.
Nope. This is going in there because it's so awesome.
Okay. I don't
Use a
really
razor blade. So the big thing that you want to do is you want to make sure this way that things are straight up and down, and there are laser marks on there that provide a little bit of guidance for that. And if it's not perfectly straight, you can kind of force it together once you fit the wing in there. What's that, Tyler?
At least he finally said it. Instead of John.
I want a wheel.
Okay. So there we go. Now the important thing that you do want to notice is we have these notches here that go on the inside, the same way down there.
Those look straight to you, bud.
Yep. T-bracket. These right here, T-brackets. I don't know why.
Because you decided to call them that. And for reference, this is how they attach. So they're going to go on the insides of your wing mounts. Now if you're building a monoplane, you only want a set down here or up here. So you can put your monoplane wing up on top, or you can put it down here and then clip the tips, or the rest of the posts. But if you put the monoplane wing on the bottom, you're going to want to add some dihedral, either at the center or out here, or anywhere along there of your choosing. Alright, so the question is, can y'all get these installed there perfectly the first time? Now here's the interesting part. You can actually install them either direction. They just have to be on the inside.
On the inside?
Yeah, so like this.
Yeah.
Oh, so like how the notches are?
Yeah.
Okay.
This part's stressful. Knocking on it. Oh.
I don't know why you're so stressed about it. There are so many other things that you can be stressed about. Mr. State Champion.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Everybody else should be embarrassed. I got it now.
A poop pillow back there. God, want this poop towel down? Please, want a poop towel, please. Want a poop towel? Want a poop towel? I want a poop towel. Mommy,
we go. Let's get a close-up in on that. Very
Mm-hmm.
nicely done. And now you just got to do the same thing up on the top.
Yay.
So the one thing that you do want to watch on these is you want them flush up against the side. This way, up and down is not as critical as this pinch, because this is going to provide the alignment for your wing spars front and back. Now if you get it wrong, you can always come in here and you can crack these wing posts to get it right.